Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video.
Back in them days, Jingles and some George Bang and some other top promoter used to link with their counterpart in England, in America, and some partner you send the artists them go up there, they perform for free and perform with the intention to get money and use badness and don't pay them. So when Dirtman decided not to do the England tour, because there was one point when Jingles was the man who orchestrated the Clansman gang, you know.
Yeah, I know that, and him start telling him to kill friend, and him bring the killing a friend thing.
He was the main architect behind it, right? So what happened is that him, that time Bulby was just a shooter.
Yeah.
The Bulby was actually the trigger man behind
Dirtman killing.
Dirt's death. And then after Jingles' death and Bulby popularity started to rise, him started to do the exact same thing where Jingles used to send the people them go fire and go tour and thing and don't pay them. And when they approach Gravel, we go do a show. Gravel refuse.
Okay, so
we him have to pay.
may I ask you now? So, you all right. So the first brother that got killed was Gravel, or Dirtman.
No, Dirtman. Dirtman.
Yeah. So yeah, that is the introduction right now to this video. You're going to get it in its entirety, and that is a military intelligence unit officer. We're not talking no enlisted man. We are talking officer in the that serving at Jamaica Defence Force. Not unafraid, fearless, and this is a man that have done some things in the military, and he's not afraid. He's a patriot, and trust me, this man is going to expose some things. Tell us at the Jamaica Young Police channel some things that most of you have never heard before. You understand? Yes, and this is a man who very, very close to Papasan. You understand? And if you remember earlier, we are told that Donald Pusey, because we work with him several times, we went on operation with him, and you understand, even at one time, we find 4 guns, and how it work already, 1 and 2 little things. The kids them at Selassie School in January 1993. Yeah man, the kids them when I got Selassie School, them stand up in them classroom and watch a shootout with we and the old dirty boy them, yeah man, and as usual and them thing that Jamaica, how we do the things, you understand? 1 shot, 1 kill, if I shoot off away and them thing that a straight to departure long. We not about say, we not believing in a walk to be you could have shot him minutes and no, we never train in that way and them thing there. We not drink sympathy juice. We never get none of them sympathy juice at training school or no sympathy coffee. Or no sympathy we don't get no sympathy tea. Yeah, we just get the raw mama papa tea with them gear. Yeah. How if you deal with them. So yeah man, so today, so you're gonna hear now, so Jingles is responsible for the death. Yeah man, Jingles is responsible for the death of Papasan's brother, Dirtman. And Gravel, yeah man, so Jingles send Bulby for kill Dirtman. Then after that now Gravel, born and grow in a De La Vega city, think that he was safe there after them kill him brother. And the same man them kill him, Bulby them, yeah. You understand? And then them want to kill Papasan. Papasan never do these men anything, The man from Tamsapen, them live at De La Vega City all these years, and all them try to do is help the youth, them and them thing there. And by doing that, I just bad mind, typical, Typical, yeah, the same mantra with them implanting our people. If you have 2 cars, if you give them one, and if you not give them one, if you're dead. So that happened to with Papasan brother them. You understand? So after them kill Papasan brother now, Dirtsman now, them start to spread it now. Spread it. So I call them a labor. Them time they are PMP in a power, you know. May I tell you that in us, because I was a detective at Unspear. So you have a PMP police now from Spanish Town, named Yellowman, Barber. So a Barber did kill one of the boys, them were kill Dirtsman, because Barber them and them a friend, you know, because Barber a big PMP, you know. You understand? May I tell you that, you know, I know them man, I mean, said all a Waterford in 86 then time I lick you. Know him long time. Bad police still do, you know. But he must not detective. I fear uniform police in it bad. You understand? Them call him Yellow Man. So Barber did kill one of the boys who killed Dirtsman. And guess what? I tell you now. So the PMP them, you know, then it vex. Say him do that. Say Barber did kill. Say Barber, that's what them call it. Say him kill one of the man who killed Dirtsman. And him get express transfer, you know, from Spanish Town to Unspear. And when him a PMP, you know, them transfer him, you know, because them say him shouldn't kill the boy because the boy was a political hit job. Yeah. And it a come from who? From Jingles and allegedly Vin Edwards and all those people. Because what them do now, them send the artists, them go foreign, and when time them wrote them to pay them. You understand? So Dirtsman now, because Papasan brother, you know, although him an artist too, but he was like a kind of chucky boo. Papasan was the girls' pet. Girls love Papasan, you know. And them destroy all the youth their life, you know, Papasan, you know. The government, the PMP government too, you know, at the time, you know. And them destroy him life, you know. The brother when him Jingles, you know. And look now, so the man, them grow with all the police and them bungles. I tell you how them stay, you know. You say, oh, PMP stay. This man, Papasan never got jail in his life. Not even bad what Papasan never got jail for. Although, may I tell you now straight up, at the time when Papasan and Lieutenant, me no know, me just love Lieutenant Stitchy. You understand? Lieutenant Stitchy was my DJ. Papasan did bad on him, I tell you that. Yeah, me not be biased on them thing. Although me love Stitchy, but San did bad on him because, hey, Papasan, the man was like an encyclopedia. You understand? Or thesaurus, how you want to call it. The man, bad. So me, it's still, boy, me just love Stitchy and them thing. Believe you me. Me no know, me just, I just saw it go. But Papasan was also a different artist. You understand? So the man do everything as a decent citizen, law-abiding citizen supposed to do. And in idea, guess what? Them turn them back on him and them deny him the gun, and then them see him and set him up. You understand? Same system, you know, set him up, you know. And them they supposed to kill him. Yeah. Donald Pusey, is a man, rest in peace and them thing. But I just saw it go on them thing. But Donald Pusey, you have to understand, still doing it. I mean, I tell you this, you know, Donald Pusey is a man who did align with the PMP party and them thing there. Yeah. He did align with the PMP criminal organization. Because I saw it going on. If you don't commit crimes to them in a police force, you can't get no promotion during them time. You have to inner them corrupt. You have to be one corrupt as them. You understand? The few we get promoted and corrupt, I just saw it go on them thing because them have Godfather were in a system we bring them up on them thing there. And you understand, I just saw it go. So me never have no Godfather in them way there. Me never have no Godfather we up there. Cause me never go out there go thief go get nobody. Me never do like no ox and all them man they we got cars where trust people fish and full up the police car trunk and car go get big man and all them thing there with all ice. You go get all them big block of ice and me never do them thing. I not trust nobody fish. I not go nobody market. I not go trust nothing. I not go thief nothing figure nobody. So me never have no Godfather and them thing. I saw it go with the promotion, you know, man. If you commit crime and do all kind of thing for get promotion. So yeah, so Barber now, so them transfer Barber, Yellow Man, you know, that time man, cause him and Dirtsman, them and Papasan a friend, you know. So when them transfer Barber now from Spanish Town and send him come at Unspear, the thing was that for them kill him when him come there and them thing there. Because the super in that Unspear at the time now, the man they are big PMP too, you know, so it going to peer politics. One man named Bully Johnson did that on, you understand? So them transfer and send, and Bully Johnson say, no, them they tell Bully, you know, say boy, I don't forgive him now. They don't forgive Barber now, keep on care gun, cause them want him for dead. And true him know Barber know say him a PMP and Barber a PMP and him know what go on. Cause them man they, I saw it go on them thing there, you know, Bully Johnson. All this up a puppy in there drinking white rum and them thing there. Even right now. So anyway, to me realize what happened to Barber now and them thing there, then give Barber a license gun. And him still alive and them thing there. But yet still, you know, them man they all them man they cool still, you know, but them man they hate me because I talk the truth. But I just saw it go. Me and your friend me I got talk the truth and them thing there. I just saw. So if you want to eat me, I just saw it go on them thing that. That's up to you or your thing that. You understand? So the police hierarchy them did want them to kill Baba, to kill the man. Because him kill the man, him kill one of the man kill Dirts man. So Baba know the one named Andrew Morgan and Baba know Bulby. That's why them transfer Baba, you know, because them say, boy, them can't trust him as a PMP police. Because that's why Bulby lived so many years at Spanish Town, you know, because PMP police protect him, you know. All one little one when him Power Ranger. Yeah, man. All him used to go check all Bulby for money for buy tire for him car and them thing there, you know. Remember saying, you know, me, you know, my background, you know, PMP, you know, straight. So that's why I can't tell you everything all about Spanish Town. All the youth when them Wayne, when them say, well, full on 100. Me know Wayne family, me know Wayne from Wayne, a little boy in I park and all them thing there. You understand? Me I tell you. You know, see, so I just saw it go. So me not telling life, you know, but I'm in a business and me just tell you as it is, real mama papa truth. And look here, if a guy not like it, him come and bite it. You understand? And one thing me love Uncle Sam. Me a big informer in Uncle Sam. Straight. Yeah, Uncle Sam and me love Uncle Sam. Because one thing with Uncle Sam will follow you to the ends of the earth and find you. I just saw it go. You understand? So Jingles killing was allegedly. So some people, you know, say, you know, after Jingles, them did kill him and them thing there. Yeah, you know, some people, where I tell you what was speculated in a dancehall world, you know. Because on everything we are going to put up no thumbnail, because we want to save some people, them don't go them watch, but them listen. So Jingles now, when this artist named Nicodemus is dead, Jingles did kick over him casket in a skateland, you know, and them say, boy, based on that, no one them thing there. Papasan did not Papasan, Super Cat did vex. So when him did dead on them thing at first, you know, when him dead, you know, I tell you when we go up on the scene and them thing there. Cause them say George Bang they left shot little before. The CMP, I tell you what them staying there, the CMP, them say a George Bang set up Jingles, you know, all kind of thing and all them something there. I tell you I was at Unsby when it happened. You understand? We went on the scene. George Bang can't ever say me ever talk to him. Never ever in him life. I'll leave him go up on the scene. When him talk to other man, me just walk off. You understand? Him heal me no answer him. Me never like them man. Me no like people who kill people. You understand? When murder people and commit murder and them thing there. Anybody supposed to do, a police supposed to use preemptive strike. Look here now. We know all the ghetto run and them thing there, but you understand? But you're not supposed to determine who live and who dead and them thing there. If a man want to kill you now, that's totally different. You understand? But you know, when he come on to my life and them thing there, you know, see. So yeah, so you got hear about a youth now, you know, boy, I tell you. Yeah, so you know, so this intelligence officer, where I tell him, man, you know, see, this man, him know him thing, you understand? You know, see, so you hear, you say I live with Harry Bungles, all them man, you know, Harry Bungles, you know, I used to drive all Dudus BMW, you know. Yeah, man, Harry Bungles used to drive Dudus BMW. That's why them transfer him from Denham Town, from Kingston Western Division. You go and hear all them thing there. Harry Bungles, licky police them that, you know. You understand? Oh, but him alone still, you know, because I between me, I'll bigger for than all them man there, and him a friend and them thing there, you know. Hey, me I tell you, you're going to shock when you hear some things over here. But before, after the encourage and who help all do this to come out at Tivoli. But when I reach us, you see, because people, we have a whole heap of work. Because we just want back Jamaica and we want it back from them. You understand? So you know, Skendang, alright. Yeah, here, you know, so Skendang, yeah. First, I don't know if Moscow them ever hear this. Yeah, so you know, say, in the early 90s, Skendang, you know, did pay Harry Bungles to get a police to kill Ian Moscow. That's the last time when he come to Jamaica, you know, before when he come up and he got jail. For some reason or the other, I don't know if somebody who testify in the grand jury, the federal in the grand jury, leak back information to them, if you know, so them are going to indict Moscow. You understand? And you're going to hear about that and them thing. That's why I tell you, said there's no honest criminal, you know. Ian Moscow. And Moscow, that prison, him take him time and him never give up nobody. Because man feel say him in a rat pan, him in a inform pan them. But the man, they are real criminal. You understand? You hear about a police when him Detective Rose. Yeah man, him collect money from Mikey Pelper. Yeah man, from Mikey Pelper from Waterford, the youth were in a war with all Vibes Cartel. You understand? You know, see it. You go hear about when I Skendang friend and Ziggy, who turned federal witness in a federal case in America. You know, see it. And the same thing like what you say Flipper Mafia do. Yeah, and Flipper Mafia become federal witness. You understand? And you hear how Mikey Pelpa I'll save a DJ when your mother alive. Because all of them are PMP and them thing there, you know, with the same cartel, the back on them thing there. This is a man we go in there. This is a man we work right down into it. You understand? You know, see it. And you know, Mike and your detective Rose and the police, them go up a smoke up a Mikey Pepper brother Lynch house up a Smokyville. Them and them have like over 30 vehicle, you know, pretty vehicle, you know. And police them go up there, and next thing, police them collect money, and you know you're nothing about the case. Them find drugs and illegal gun and them thing there. You know you're nothing more about the case. The next time I went to the man says the boy Mikey Pelpa dead. After them all, you understand, them never charge him now. Nothing. Police collect money. Licky police. You understand? That's why them not like me and them thing because them can't buy me. You understand? So you watch, you listen, and you decide because yeah. And the reason why we never do no video is because I am telling you, people just stand by because Jamaica young police channel, we're just going to give you the truth, nothing but the truth. And any guy who want him free for talk, we want for talk, but remember, you know, you come, yeah, make sure you understand, you come with the ID, yeah man, for your next of kin. And remember, yeah, man, we're not free for talk, we work at the Department of Defense, and we're not tell you which agency we work either. So we are big informer in America. We're not afraid for talk and them thing there. And we're not going to tell you a lie like some guy who used to work for the feds and them tell you pay a lie and them thing there. We not that because we have a conscience. We not do things for money. We do things for the love because we love our own people and we want to change the country. We're not going to tell you a lie if you no see Aga, no Michael Manley or no PMP energy. We are going to tell you the real mama, papa, truth. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
It's Pusey was the man who pulled the trigger and the gun sticking. Pusey they try to kill Papasan. You know?
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, and Papasan close.
Yeah, it's Pusey pull the trigger and the gun stick.
Oh, so I really true Pusey I say him save Papasan life, although him not when me say save it still because him gun stick why him never get for dead.
I go because him gun stick and the man over the house ball out to him. Because a back way now, in him head back him they go shoot him. Because him never really find the gun. The girl get the gun in and put it in her panty waist and the gun drop out in the car.
Oh. So where boy named Peshikan, not Papasan cousin?
Yeah man, my cousin when a man salt him, you know, so a pig son go pick up the gun.
From Peshikan? Because the police them trail him.
Yeah.
Pick up the gun,
but somebody tip them off. Somebody, somewhere.
Me know that much still.
You understand?
So I really true when Pusey say him see Papasan live about because I gun stick.
I stick the gun stick. And then if you get a chance, if him willing, because him not really the talking with the media about certain past life. You can't even get him DJ a song if it's not a gospel song. So certain things him will just leave alone because him at a higher place. You understand? So certain things him leave behind.
Yeah, because I understand say the church even a commercial boulevard lockdown and them thing there. So how come the church lockdown? What?
Man, it was different. It was one new church, man.
Oh, in Billa New Church?
Yeah.
Okay. Which part of the church? Which part I wanted it?
I'm not sure. If you Google it, you'll see it. OFK.
Oh.
Our Father's Kingdom. That's the name of the church. Our Father's Kingdom.
So,
yeah, man,
so you still talk to him?
I haven't spoken to him in probably about 4 or 5 months now.
Oh.
Because the timing, just like you try to call me and thing.
Yeah, we can't get there and anything. Yeah.
Call from him, and then we call him back and I'm gonna get through and stuff.
Why? So the part where him get Harry Bongos the money, why Bongos never give me? Why Bongos taking money and not give him the gun?
You see.
Me know say corruption and them thing there, because me understand say Jingles them never want Bongos to give me gun because them say my labor right. So all them say Papasan, all politics all coming in a man life and them thing there and a man clean.
You see, the thing about it is that, you see, when you're blinded by a trustee, when you're blinded by a trustee, is a hell of a thing. Because up to this day, at this point, well, I wouldn't say up to this day, but up to a few years ago, them have bungles in the eye regard. I'm having somebody close to them as a friend. And unless you probably could have show him something on paper or on a record and say bungles wasn't for you, then him probably would have still have bungles as somebody in eye place. Because the man was good.
But him see him and make him get it.
Right, that's what I'm saying. So
okay. Okay. It's like Stockholm syndrome and them thing there.
Yeah, right. So it's that hard for him not to believe.
But you have to understand, say, but remember, say, most of the time when we people them are close to you can hurt you.
Yeah, exactly.
And show me an honest criminal. And I never met an honest criminal in all of my life. Harry Bong was a criminal, you know, not because he was police, you know what I'm saying?
You remember, you know? Remember, so when Pukuru boy them are run Portland, you know? And when the coca wash up all over Portland and Pukuru boy them in charge. You know Pukuru, you know of them, right?
Me about them.
Papasan Tony.
And Frati.
Right. You remember when our bungles couldn't get in and the court? I mean, I remember our bungles too. Sent for dollars them, you know. And one Sunday morning was a big shootout with Pukuru boy, the man and guard man over Portland, you know. I remember saying, guard man, if he's every cook will come everywhere in the island, them have hand on it, you know.
I lie. I saw them in it.
Our bungles tell the man them say cook a wash up all over Portland and who in charge and thing, man, and the man them come over there and make demand like them entitled.
So you say bungles bring. So wait, why a real criminal? They mix up with Clansman and they mix up. Me know so one time me know say him in a drive. Do this BMW, you know, because I have a schoolmate. Him dead, you know, about 3 years ago at prison, you know, he come from Tivoli, you know. He make me know say all bungles in a drive, all when bungles there Westkinson, you know, then I'm turning as a soup, you know. Him down a garden every day and all smoke all chalice with all do this, you know. The soup,
but
you know.
Remember, sir, that's why they get transfer and go to Spanish Town, you know, remember, you know.
And
people seem outside of Dodos. You never remember an incident, then people seem and New Year's Eve night and the gun salute and him Dodos stand upside him and fire shot. Not, you know, Dodos didn't fire the shot, no pussy fire the shot. But Dodos was right at the present. I saw him to get transfer, you know.
Why the man when the man tell me say boy I say bungles drive. All them think they are red eye still doing it. You know, they're criminal thinking that, you know.
No. Yeah. Nothing what the man do. It's like it's not legitimate. Even the mansion in Billa Portland. Can you know a big mansion in Portland?
Me said the brother will build it for him, the electrician, him give him a license gun.
Understand?
That's all him pay the man. That's all him pay the man for do for build the house. Why the man wicked in the one?
And not even the land where the man acquired straight and narrow and straightforward, you know.
Me say I can't him canal the man and make the man sign away the land game.
Can the people the man take and take the land from the people, you know. Can the people as an estate, you know, the house is an estate, you know.
So who live there now? Cause him the Linstead now and them thing there.
No, well, from ever since him, just like him, they just do that for acquire asset. You understand? Him just do that to acquire asset because the last time the Jamaicans see even the fence around it, the rusty and look like it's rotten down and things. So him just do that to acquire asset, I believe.
So what happened to the boy?
They're married to a doctor woman.
Yeah, man, and she divorce him. Him have a daughter with her.
You understand?
But you know, say, a whole heap of people him have though.
Yeah, so here. But the woman originally from Portland.
Well, what's she saying at the man there?
You know, it's status, you know.
No,
It's
well,
status.
sure. Cause him not have nothing but, hey, the man, you know, so the man a real all carousing though.
No one, the man they are devil in disguise, and the man they are Satan, you know.
Yeah, I true, man. Himself. Alright, I mean, I show you have a brother where, I tell you this. You have a brother in who come from Waterhouse named Ian Masco. In a 1994, 95, when Bongos that Onsby. Bongos was trying, you know, to recruit me, you know, to kill one boy named Ian Masco from Waterhouse, you know. 300,000 him get from Skendang to kill the boy. You understand? Me, you don't know, say you're a young police and you're a young detective and you understand what I'm saying? And you are on the place and them thing there. And the man coax me and them thing there. And I'm a crime chief, you know, I know how him find out, you know. And the man that scare me down a Bungo's office, you know. And tell the man, say, you know, as long as him in that ounce beer, you know, Bongos must talk to me, must talk to me. Unless him come through him. Because him say, him say, oh, Porter now go kill Ian Masco for you and Skendang, you know. Me say, hey, when the man said me, I said, wait. Yeah, man, and the man say, oh, you get paid for police go kill the man. For man, him now go do it, you know. And as long as me there and him thing there, you have to come through me if you talk to him. Yeah, man, and from this, him call them most friend, you know. From this, him and Bongos not talk. And the man, they save me from Bongos. Me, I tell him, would I get caught up in them web.
Them have the Moscow corner down a Waterhouse.
Yeah, man, me I tell you. Yeah, man, me I tell you, man.
To the highway, to the Spanish Town Road.
Yeah, man, and Penwood Road. And when the boy come up back after Easter.
There are about 3 or 4 brothers them, you know.
Yeah, man.
2 in the Moscow. Yeah, remember them 2 in them.
I saw me I tell the man, yeah, boy, me I tell you. And when the youth come up now, them all upon him, so them did know, say, when name's King, and them didn't know, say, the brother know when him say, boy, warrant, must a grand jury or something. They want to silence him because them feel say him I go talk upon him, but him not talk upon nobody. So him just hold him sentence. Because the brother will testify against him was a youth when get deported, you know. And me and Bobby did carry the FBI agent them go on a man yard, you know. Hey man, the brother will get deported. I not remember him name, you know. Me I tell you say man, outside of a house a man live, you know. When I want zinc up place and I literally sleep and grung, you know. And me I tell you say white man them see man I laugh and I say, you know, oh Mascot America I live a big life and look how y'all live. And them ask me if him send and come give him. And the man them show him a video and them thing a Mascot a club and them thing there. And the man them say, boy, the man them tell him say you need to, you know, you need to do something about your life, you know. And you understand, the man them FBI agent them man give him 48 hours and them thing there. You understand, and him link the following day, him link me and Bobby and then we link up, you know, link him up back with the FBI agent and the DEA them up at embassy and but him just fly outside, him send Moscow. I mean not remember the brother name and them thing there. But me I tell you say him they get deported and I live like a dog. You understand?
You know, at the time I was king, you know, so all the people skank and sell out to them.
Yeah, man. Then that's how it go on them thing there. Oh, you think they me tell us say I kill the man they want. The man pay bongos and them thing they forget Ian Mascot dead kill. You understand?
So that time skank and sell out the youth them at one job creation, so on, you know. And end up buy all the from them. Why the man look wicked? Why is that really that dog eat that really not end up buy one of the when the youth them run down to nothing and I sell out, you know. Buy another the yellow you know. You understand? Buy the yellow
Why?
Yeah, you know, I'm going to tell you something. In 2001, they have a girl called New Eve. And I think it did have Hype TV them time. And I go check the girl, I'm sitting at the house and I'm say, check it up on ITV. I'm say, busy signal, come on, music video. And I said to myself, I never know of him, I never hear of him. I never even know of him having any manager and thing.
Yeah.
And I said to myself, oh, this you just pop up on the music scene and just add the big video with all kind of flossing in it. And then, but there after a couple of months after that, I see him come right at the gas station and then kill Bogle. I do one next video, and some white man direct the video and thing. I said to myself, say, I tell about something, I know of him, I know nothing about him.
Yeah.
I said to myself, say, I wonder if I infiltrate this youth because I never know of him name, Not at all, I don't know about him. I said to myself, I wonder if I infiltrate this youth and the music business at Jamaica.
So said, so done. You say warrant the Lord for him.
And then so said, so done. Now I walk you through the step them. Listen, walk you through the step. Listen. You go Europe, go tour. Why them intercept you at England? Why them never intercept you at Jamaica? Right? One. That is one. Two. Just look at the attorney where I'm hire and the advice of the attorney give to him.
Oh, Jamaica. But yeah, so why them never did extradite him from England when they hold him?
Right, exactly. Why you had to come to Jamaica and then go through the channel? Because number one, them catch you with a fraudulent passport because the passport was in your name.
I'm brother name.
It's not your real passport. No. The attorney claimed to say he give client the advice that based on what them send out a warrant for you for. It's a case to beat. Them never send out a warrant for the drugs case. Them send out a warrant for your absconding bail.
Right.
So them cannot charge you for the
drugs
when you went back in America. But remember, you did let you go back on the streets, so them could have at least reignite the charge. That is 3 so far. You end up with a Jamaican conviction where you pay a $300,000 fine for fraudulent passports. So what kind of police record you now get to go back and get the American work permit?
Oh,
explain that to me.
He did have him green card before, you know?
Yes, he did have a green card.
Some have him social security and him never... what them say? Literally still, you know, them say him still can't get back him green. Them say him can't get back him green card. Remember I say
remember that Jamaica for more than 10 years, you know.
Yeah,
take
but
a process.
But I like them say them still can't rate them based on what the judges say them could have still reinstate him thing because him him the change him life and all them thing there.
But it's not a misdemeanor conviction in the getting them. Remember I plead guilty and do the time, you know. It's not a misdemeanor in the get conviction.
No, me not talk about the passport, you know. Me talk about in America.
Yes, but the charge was get convicted, so was eligible for deportation.
But they never deport him.
Right.
Because him did have a good lawyer and them thing there, and them know the thing because remember say drug charge, them drop it, you know. They may have to drop the drug charge. Right. Because statute of limitation. Yeah, statute of limitation, all kind of things and but you know, say somebody were close to him that bust on him with the passport, though, you know that. And somebody were close to him that bust. Yeah, then I saw them. Hey, look here.
No, hold on. I feel them send him out and then call him in back, and them just had to call him in back. Them just have to take him back into the system under certain circumstances.
Well, hold on. Give me us about busy signal now.
everything surrounding the whole situation. And you realize after that man come in the system, people just start to lose them work permit for various different reasons.
Oh, on them visa, yes.
Almost everybody from what it surround him, they lose them work permit,
Yeah, bounty killer.
Including Elephant Man. It's just ironic. And as I say, the system set away which you will never know the truth, but if you have sense enough, you will pick the sense out of nonsense.
True.
You understand? You will pick the sense out of nonsense because don't find it strange if when Dodos done him finish him sentence, him not come back to Jamaica.
Him not come back down there?
I say, don't find it strange if when him finish him sentence, him don't come back to Jamaica.
So why him not come back?
Just to wait and see what kind of deal he make.
Well, because
what people play. He did have one Kingdom man named Ziggy. They testify. I'm not quoting a man. And they do a 3 year sentence, and you don't know if Ziggy alive or him dead right now. Them just take him off of the radar. You don't even hear if him come back to Jamaica.
True, man.
And he's a man put it this way, he's a hype man because remember when Kingdom did come down with Stermar's son and he have 100 night talk.
Yeah, man, in the 80s.
Yeah. And he used to lead the pack. Man, one named Ballybird from Nannyville. That's what I look at you. Know of them. And the time Cannon's son and Stermar's was like a twin son almost. You see, like was told about he used to play with Metro Media.
Yeah.
I say Cannon I play with Stermar. And the man got turned state witness and you never hear nothing from that man. The last time somebody asked him, them say, them put him in a retirement community to live in America after him done him sentence.
And the man did hype, Ziggy.
Yeah, man, when I say hype, man, hype, bad, man. All in him that came on a spark, man. Him have the loudest mouth and the biggest mouth.
That's true, man. One to this brother named Kurt Matthews from remember his son, a white name, Night Silver Arc. Kurt Matthews from Standpipe, the white brother there.
No, a Silver Arc or African Star.
I think a Silver man, Kurt Matthews, he come from Standpipe. The white brother.
Remember the name?
What happened to him?
I'm not sure a whole of them people who were surrounding the sound them just disappear after the race. Some of them died from the
prison.
This one named Ian who used to play Roadstar.
Yeah, what happened to him?
Everybody may say if them interview select all over. I never seen no man fight him. Nobody know nothing about him. You understand?
I'm the bad still low, you know.
Remember, he was an Indian, you know.
And then you have Johnny from Bodyguard, but Johnny no got prison for coke.
Yeah, Johnny, me see Irish and Chin in the interview me a while back.
But him ain't got prison up here, man. So I must down Jamaica. I mean, if they interview him up here, that means him give away somebody just like Flipper Mafia. I update them interview, man. Flipper Mafia, what a man dangerous, man. Flipper Mafia.
Flipper sing, man. Flipper. That me tell you say. But that me tell you say because I the same thing. With Flipper, like what may I think about it busy because remember one of the time when they catch Flipper go through Bahamas, you remember that time?
Yeah, man, with the boat and man all dead and all him and a man dal the dead and him turn witness against him and them were carry him on the boat and send them to their prison. That was the first time I saw him get the first papers, the second papers, I remember said they deport him before then,
Right.
And then, boy,
Same turn state
and
witness.
then turn federal witness against the people them where I carry him and send them a prison and then him get film papers. Then him get bite. And then him man will turn out on him one brother and him woman. But him feel comfortable for out in a public so and them thing after everything we him do.
Right now, about a couple of months, somebody hear nothing about him.
But I'm seeing punch. I mean, I never pay him, I get paid for go up on the show them and them thing there. I mean, I hear like the government seize him assets them at Jamaica.
No, them never they take nothing from him. Then they have the apartment and couple of things here. Because him woman they get deported, after she done fair center.
Because she never squeal on them thing there. Boy, him not easy though. Is a man still though, you know? Him everything, you know, what's in it for me, you know.
It remind me of Mikey Pelpa.
Oh, what them kill? From Mattis Lane.
No man, Mikey Pelpa from Waterford, man, when man cartel them did a big one.
Oh yeah.
Remember a Pelpa make cut Mobada never did in 2008, you know. After Mobada kick off the coffin where them bring fame on stage. Remember Pelpa, if you go back and watch a video, Pelpa was Mobada bodyguard. Go back and watch a video tomorrow.
No man, send it to me as a reminder and them thing there.
Yeah. Go back and watch a video and see it. But the thing about it is that Pelpa brother did have too much of fight. Yo, I tell you, we go up the man have a house in a Smoky Vale.
Oh, Pelpa?
A 3-story house.
Pelpa?
The old brother, Lynch the brother didn't remember they kill the brother first, you know.
Yeah, Lynch, yes.
Lynch, right. And on the 3rd floor of the house, every single vehicle where you could have think of.
Up there.
In terms of iron vehicle on the 3rd floor. The 3rd floor is like a parking lot.
Just like America.
Tacoma, Range Rover, Benz, BMW, Jaguar, Infinity. I tell you, say every single vehicle you could think of. Escalade. The man have more than 30 vehicles. And remember the police team will go over the house at Portmore, his father's house. I'm gonna take him out of the studio and carry him go up to the house. And we never hear nothing come out of that again. Nothing. He said them they go seize vehicle and I never hear. The next thing I hear from when I hear about him is me see me at the star saying dead.
Mikey Pelpa.
That is the next thing I tell you, say the system so corrupt.
So who them to kill him?
No, remember John him go.
Oh, for come America.
Right, and Coast Guard intercept the boat and them jump off and him drown. Or the Coast Guard just join him, knowing who him is and just finish killing him. Because remember, if they didn't hold him, he would have get life in prison because that would have been the 2nd or 3rd time in my reign time. I remember after the 2nd time, you gone home for good now once you enter the country illegally.
Yeah, man, them are Senegal, Colorado, and a maximum security, maximum prison.
And that's a life, so. One way you see them decide them go in a prison or them join him.
I know, so so you know Kunda to one them thing there?
I know of him, I don't really know him. I hear of the name.
I mean, so live for my pathway and them thing there, you know. Me frightening time me say the Lynch them how them make this one, because I know them youth there some little, you understand when I grew up, you know.
I say the man that Mama Lynch mob, they used to call him, you know, the name so ironic, you know, because them last name is Lynch. Because the bigger brother now got fine and start to make the money instead of buy a couple of houses and make house and start to send vehicle in jobs.
But the whole of them gone now.
Yeah, I think I don't even know if the government seized. I must say, when them raid the house the day and search and find them, go find, and them go over the studio Waterford, go pick up the man. We left and we go back to base. We never hear nothing of that case. We never hear nobody get charged. We never hear nobody go court.
Which year that? 2008?
2000. No, man, 2006. 2006.
But the man cartel was friend, you know, so what war did start over?
Well, then they start war. I think it's music that caused the war they're doing. I think some music over the same Vibes got. The Vibes got was a crew, you know. Because remember, you know, we used to investigate them and just pass on the information. So
up the chain of command in Intel.
Yeah. So when we go as somebody we're interested in music, they can sit down and talk to them. They will tell you everything, you know, because they remember them just think he's the man.
Yeah, man.
He just make up because I'm gonna tell you how get into him. We don't want some Sizzler dub plate. Him could sing just like Sizzler, you know, YouTube it away hear him.
Oh, Mikey Pelpa.
You see, him have about 1 million different voices, you know. Him come like twins, and him better than them.
Him come like who?
Twins of twins. I could mimic anyone. If you go up on YouTube and you Google music, to the music, you will hear him.
Yeah.
Him have a whole person just like that. So when you go into him, a name, you just make up a name and give him. But the thing about it is that, remember, we have a budget.
Yeah.
Remember, we have a budget. And the budget did run out. But him get so comfortable with we that him start to credit we dub plate. So if we go to him and tell him, so we want a Sizzler dry cry for 2 or 3 sound, him just do it to the hopes that we will come back and give him the money.
So him can do the Sizzler dry cry and people who think they are really
But
Sizzler.
say the man sound exactly like Sizzler. You can't tell that how good him is. The man they talking him one time a 52 voice. Understand? So, but you know, after you do a certain part of the investigation and them feel that you do enough and them don't want, they make out them switch to a different protocol, but somewhere along the line, either money pass or something. Because them they over the local house or Waterford, they just living a normal life and go up Smokyville when them ready to them big life. Understand? So after them come and them search, them find drugs up at the house, them come and search the studio Waterford and them find drugs and them take him for cam go up at the house. That was the last I hear of the case until me tell him I read it in the Jamaica Star say.
Him dead.
Him.
Say police the meet a food.
Of course them meet a food. The system corrupt.
So I wish police them go, which police it go with it?
It was what him name?
Kingfish.
It's no man, it wasn't. Yes, it was right. I mean remember him name. Right and one name Rose. I think all them used to do it. Oh my God. I think right did the Kingfish. Don't that time they did it. The Ocean Boulevard.
Yes, they don't used to that.
Right. But what had happened is that remember him did a Canton Spring first. So them you'd use him and one him right, one him road.
That's the Stammer brother you thought, the brown Stammer brother.
Yeah, tall and slim.
Oh,
And the right was the kind of fattish brother. But what did that more could clearly remember is that them did say, because remember Smokyville is Canton Spring area. But him they get transferred on the Kingfish. So what them just still did I use him to finish complete the case. And I think I saw the corruption come in. Some about some breach right there, some with the corruption coming. Because I remember one day somebody talk and them I said, but how them have a homicide detective at investigate drugs.
That's supposed to narcotics police.
That was somebody just blurred out that loud. I remember me sit down. I'm about the ear was say, but when me turn around. And that was it. And then a couple of years after that, Mr. Wright, him did get transferred to Stony Hill.
Why the corruption? So you believe you're optimistic about Jamaica returning to some semblance of normalcy? Everybody me talk to them, I tell me say boy them not see no hope. Them literally I tell me say boy, me is just a one man show because nobody else nah fight it like how me I fight it and them thing I try to get it back on them thing because all of the other YouTuber them just what's in it for me and them thing and just scam the people them just
you see a lot of people just come on YouTube and they beg money in and them walk and them collect some information and call a police and call a old police and the old police tell them some old police just make up story and tell them and if you even ask them for evidence or some form of proof, them would just make up something. Them would just make up something. Because remember, me did tell you the other day, me tell you say it was Bongos first.
Yeah.
And then the call
and say abuse it. Cause Bongos never that acid in it. Cause Pusey always say him say Papasan.
Them said no, Bongos was close to him. It was Pusey.
Cause Bongos are the one that collect the money and Jingles them tell. Cause boy, I mean know all the man they mix up so on them thing there.
The man they call them on the boat, because the man they swing boat side.
Yeah, understand. Because him a part of the Clansman outfit because of him give black man the information about the killing where they go on with out of the fishing village with the witness. And so the witness where him kill and burn him, so I'm one blood cousin though. Yeah man, I'm cousin man. Then me put up all the youth picture up if you look on the youth you can't tell the difference between him and black man. The youth where him born him and the girl. And the girl, say I first, say the girl she and him upon him man birthday, him man dead too, And a black man one cousin,
Remember, I'll show you something. I'll show you all the system. Wicked. After one man dead, right? They have this the cripple one. I can't remember his name.
The one in a wheelchair.
But I'm not even the wheelchair bound, I think him just did use as a pity because he used to walk with a cane in him. Could have walking about him walk like somebody would get polo. I'm never cripple. Alright. Him used to deal with this girl from Portmore named Camila. And Camila licky, So we are trying to get to him and get to Camila. No, she come up to the apartment and she up there for a couple of days. And a reason and thing, and me ask her a certain question. And she had tell me. And you know what I think really actually saved me? We get sexually involved with her about 2-3 days, you know. But mama says she up there a couple of weeks, you know, with me, you know. Just a talk, we drop her off because she did have a baby father. We used to carry up cooking and what and go to England from lane 15, Kingston, the lane right in front of Kingston Irish.
That's a 35 lane.
35, right. And sometimes you used to drop her down. I used to go down in the lane because I did have kind of a contact at 33. So I just used to drop her the lane out and she'd have called me and pick her up. Sometimes she would meet her to Agley Park and Waltham and carry her back and I get sexually involved with her about 3 days before. And one night, I go pick her up. And the girl said, nobody feel say you come for me. She said, nobody feel say you come, I will come now with you. And I can't remember the brother name. Because I think I don't know, say, a friend me for get through to the she call him name.
Oh, Wani?
Because she talk to me about him. No, man, the same cripple one, man.
Oh, there's it. What name?
She did call him one name. She have a nickname. She have a name for him, man. But him did actually in charge after Bun, man.
Yeah. Over there, Spanish
Bubba did that first. Bubba did it first as Bun, man. Then, yeah, and then him did in charge. But him did cripple up. And she said, she knows it. My friend her. Because many times, you know, to be honest, and this is when girl are dealing criminal and gunman, them suspicious start things to, you know. Because many times she asked me, so, you just stop for me that night, this? Just so she asked me, you just stop for me that night, this? When I say, yeah, pretty brown and anybody I say a pretty, the man has seen a pretty girl come around and just drive past them, so this, that, and must happen. Understand? And she keep on ask me the same question over and over to see if me I got change my content of my conversation. And then she just say, she knows that me I do. Anyway, my kind of, she never come with me the night. I'm a continue call her, and she said, all right, you way do. Meet me over my father's house. Girl, stop going Waltham completely and thinking because she kind of get even afraid of me, you know. Until I start to talk back to her and have conversation with her. And she tell me, say, policeman, tell her.
Which policeman?
She never tell me.
Oh.
She never tell me name. She say, policeman, Hunsville, the policeman, station too. So I say, policeman, tell her. Or the policeman tell her, say, me a police.
Yeah, and just assume me.
And a friend her forget to the man because what happened, you know?
Yeah.
But we are wait pan. We are wait pan she for tell me, you know, one night to drop her over there. And just that we are wait pan, you know. I tell her, say, we pick up this girl car all over Jamaica and just some little loose drive just to get friendly and get into her and thing. And this girl never asked me to drop her over there. But she tell me she's a man a deal and you know, whatever, you know. And one time I pick her up in a Spanish town itself. And the whole her mouth bust up and thing, you know. And I said, she said the boy did me say a man in a right. Say a man in a wheelchair make bust up the mouth and thing.
So what she say?
She She no answer. Understand? And about 2-3 days after that, me I call her. Because once she reaches for him, then she phone lock off.
But him dead now though?
Yeah, I'm supposed to dead long time. I didn't know what happened. Right. But then they want to get him out of the system, and I feel it's Babsy they want to get rid of him. Understand? Because Babsy is one of them where you can't really play with, you know.
Let me know, man. She me know such a crab up on them thing there.
No,
as much as they see her there and she behave, you know, quiet.
No, I think Babsy is the most dangerous politician in Parliament at this time, you know.
Yeah, man.
But I think no more politician dangerous like she. She come from a Siaga era.
Yeah, man. And blinds a play, you know.
Yeah. So, I used to listen to a song with this clash with this boy named DeMarco and Fully Bad. I made the boy I say, him gun them enough like a Siaga buy. Fully Bad had about 20 little bit. So right away I say, somebody write them song the game, somebody who older.
Can't even know them thing there.
Them no know them thing. You understand? So, I'm gonna say, and the girl look at me and tell me, you know, I don't even know if she's alive or dead, no thing. Because she just moved from bad man to bad man, you know.
I saw them stay, man.
Yeah, and the girl tell me, say,
wait, is she brown and tall?
She not really that tall. She about 5'9".
Oh, okay. But I know one of them come from 35 lane. She look good too, you know, but a peer criminal she talk to, you know. Because one time she in there one cripple boy named Desi from 33 lane.
Yeah, and in the shooting baby mother.
But I mean that's it. The cripple boy.
Yeah man, they shot him. Yeah man, the girl got take taxi with him son. And he like him there one and for do it.
I know so them they kill him in a wheelchair.
Yeah man, in the shooter man. The baby mother, the name Tashi.
So as you know, as in we know.
The girl, before you do it, the girl tell me the same night she tell me. She said, anyhow, me and I never get section involved. Should have make them kill me that night.
Why?
Because remember, she said the policeman tell her, say me I use her for get to the man.
But so although she see a gun, she did think say but you not tell her say you're not the police. Because you're not police.
Me tell her I'm not police.
But because she see with that gun, she feel say you're police.
No, well she assumed because I never tell her I'm a soldier or anything, not tell her. I tell her that. You understand? Is after that I tell her I work at JDF but I on leave. And then I show her 2 pictures in the early days in my uniform. So she kind of convinced.
So you're not police.
She knows I'm not police, but she still in a move sideways. Still in a move shaky. Yeah, and she just I'm telling me she just disappeared. She just.
Boy, I saw it go on them thing there, you know? And it's like some people, you know, where you didn't know and you understand 1 and 2 look at things because through your work, you don't even know if them alive or them dead. I like all me and them thing there. A whole heap of people, I don't know if them alive or them dead. You understand? I tell them, man, hey, boy, that worker, you have to do some things sometimes, forget some things done. You understand? People not even know the sacrifice where you have to make even with yourself, you know, to get things done. For the security and the safety of the people, them. Just to get to, you know, get to one dirty boy.
remember, you know, when we were gone about 3 years in a jail. Our aunt lived on Penn Avenue, our Waterhouse, right at bus terminus, so.
Penwood Road.
No, the name of the avenue, the Penn Avenue, right?
Oh,
The bus
Penn Avenue.
yeah.
Yes.
3 years, that's right. The last right.
BA Farm Road. Penwood Road go left, Penn Avenue, yeah. Yeah.
I don't know if you remember an incident where there was a little girl that lived next door to my aunt, and she, you know, new recruited now, done fresh, all his clean shave and all his low haircut, and so she always asked, "Hey, you're police or you're soldier?" I never yet answer that girl one. Until she keep on ask for my name. Every time I go down, I go look for my grandma, and she always ask for my name, and I just give her a name one day. And that girl kind of popularized her name there in the street. So everybody are calling me that name. Anyway, if I remember an incident in 1996, where them a Juta tour bus, someone they went on a robbery up in Narbrook here in a Juta tour bus, and police intercepted and killed off the whole of them.
I think we remember that incident there.
Yeah.
I think it was close to like evening.
Yeah. Everybody did in the bus.
Remember the incident.
And then tell me that I come back down there.
Oh, because they must say you.
No, they must say the girl always have me a soldier or police. And they never know what me is.
So because I killing the man in a Juta bus.
Yeah. The criminal them don't have someone to come back down. Yeah, man. So the second time I like somebody would have mistake me, I say.
Yeah, police.
But the system just curve where man would just because I make a couple of inquiries, you know, a whole heap of people I ask to check who familiar with our aunts be. My name and nobody never really come up with nothing concrete. So I wonder if she just tell me say our police or months be just throw me off too. Maybe.
Yeah, criminal let me know. You have to understand that. And a criminal are smart people, you know.
I remember about 2 or 3 times I swing by our father. Because she stopped the whole time completely. Because the boy, she child father, they end up get catching and want to trip them. And they get sentenced. And she they stop go all the time and circle her father place a couple of times and her father says she not live there again and they not give no more information. And that was it. She just disappeared for the radio.
Why?
Yeah, but the system, you have to get rid of the old, because too much old wicked politician in the system of Jamaica.
Yeah, so so that's why I'm asking how we are gonna tackle it.
Look at Mike Henry. Mike Henry.
The man in a wheelchair and like a parliament still.
Mike Henry, one of the wicked and thief. Is there how much people publishing Mike Henry? Because he was a publisher, you know.
Yeah, music business.
Man book. And how much people, because I can remember in the 2004 there was this China woman that do Papasan autobiography, you know. I'm going to ask about it. I don't even know if it's complete or what. But the China lady there do it. And if it come out, I would have mentioned them. I would have been like, because there's a couple things that they mention about me and the journey where I come from and stuff.
So yeah, so since you're a soldier, you meet him and him thing there.
No, man, from a little boy, we know him, man.
So at times when you come from there?
No, man. From a look up, and it's just God dance as a little youth sound system.
But for a man to come, although still you all over the place and them thing there. Cause you know you have, but, you come like me, you know, you live about a place where you live on them thing there. Cause
him, as much as he come from Spanish Town, them used to live all over, you know.
Oh, so alright, so him cousin when he in Peshikan and him thing, he and Peshikan them grew up to outer east.
No, me no know nothing about him. I see him a few times, but I know nothing about him. You know, because one of the time people there say him and him never related, but I actually him mother nephew.
Then him cousin then for real, man.
Yeah, because his mother still alive, you know.
Papasan mother?
No, I think she passed away a few years ago, probably about 3-4 years ago.
So Uncle him alone live now?
Huh?
Uncle Papasan, Uncle him alone live out all him siblings them?
No, man, him have about 3 other brothers. One of them brother a shaggy keyboard player, you know. From 20-something years, my brother play keyboard for Shaggy and Shaggy bands, man.
So alright. So
what's the connection? What's the connection? Remember the girl when in the old of the farm, or the old night car with them on the farm.
Yeah.
A Robert Livingston wife, you know, the Shaggy farmer manager, you know.
But in no Florida she live? She don't live down here?
I don't know where she there right now. The last time me ever see her here about her, probably about 2007, 2008. But them still, I don't know even if them still married, but Robert Livingston is a man, a family man, so them probably still together. But from all you when they're on the music, man, and I tell you, say, the system would son now. I tell you, that's what I tell you, say, if you could never pay son $1 million to even go do a sting or a reggae song for him not doing it, you know.
Because I him say destroy him family and him thing there.
Yeah. And not even that, it's just the man so spiritual that, as him would have said, him not write like when him back in the days in the write song of him one, he made the Holy Spirit tell him what to write.
Reveal it to him, yeah. Yeah. Him that conscious and him thing there.
Yeah. That man is so straightforward. That man is so straightforward.
So alright, the first one them did kill was Gravel.
No man, the first one was Patrick man, it was Dirtsman.
Dirtsman, okay, alright. So how that come about now? How that come about why Jingles them kill him? What did happen before him did go to England and work for them? Him and them did have good relationship. So all them coming with the politics and label them and all them coming with all them coming with this thing for label them say them are labor right and them are not labor right. Or that are just use them thing there as the street thing for
rid of them. Me no know of them. But remember Dirtsman live at Della in a Della, they kill him, you know.
Me know.
Dirtsman was at the third house, which that was never belong as Papasan house, you know. Understand? It's Papasan house and he moved him father from Thompson Pen. But I can't really remember if the father they moved go before Dirtsman did or after Dirtsman did. But me know say up until the time my father did.
But remember say them live the friend them a little boy, you know.
Right. So but him the build a house there for Dirtsman. Remember Dirtsman never really make no money. Our son used to make the money. And son used to set everybody. Nobody never have to worry about nothing.
Time I make the money.
And they set everybody. Right. Time I make the money and him now keep it for himself.
Yeah.
That's how him is up until this present day.
Mm-hmm.
That's how the man is.
Yeah.
Understand? The man, when I get married, I not spend $1, you know, not even a cent, you know. Yeah. And my wedding cost over 400 and something thousand, you know. And that man spend every dollar.
Well, I have a good friend that, you know that.
Understand? And them time the 400 and something thousand and small money. Understand? And I remember said him not do dance or music when I make a bag of money. Them time they eat and music.
Well, I'm still, I'm my number one man in it still do, you know.
So that's why I miss him build a house to get dirt, because him know I'm bread and it one them come from far. So the problem is that, as I say, from back in the 80s, it used to be done and bad man. I keep show both here and abroad. So it's just like you have presidential click.
Dan and drugs dealer.
Right. And them keep a set of man, they keep them show up so. Them send up the artists them with the intention to get paid and probably give them a little 5,000 and say, all right, when you go up there and do the show, you'll get the next 10,000, and so be it.
Them not give them no more.
They don't give them no more. Understand?
So I saw him decide say him now go back, him now go do no more show for them.
So him decide say him now go back to England, go do no more show. And Jingles say get rid of him. So when time to go now and Bolbyton done and Bolbyton is big top man, I want to send Gravel go do show. Gravel say him now go do no show for no man. They kill him brother. Him say that would play no lower and them get rid of him too.
But when them they kill Dirtsman and them thing there, them say Papasan did witness it.
No man, Papasan did that town.
No.
Papasan drive over there like lightning. Yeah.
Because
there was retaliation, you know. But there was retaliation and man did dead back and thing.
Yeah man, because the police were named Barber, you know, yellow man. The man they are more PMP than Michael Malina. Him did kill one boy upon the scene, you know. The boy with the Uzi. Him did come on same time. Cause I saw the one named Andrew Morgan did get way. Andrew Morgan him did jump all in a canal and them thing and go back at Jones Avenue. Barber did kill one boy and get the Uzi. And I saw him get transferred immediately got Unsby because him shouldn't kill the boy and him thing because it was a political hit. It had come from the PMP hierarchy when them kill him. Because them the transfer Barber come at Unsby for Barber dead at Unsby, you know. And because the commanding officer Unsby know Barber and know him at work and they make sure they give him a keep and care gun. Because even the commissioner of police never did want him to have no gun, because them did want to kill him back for it. Then they want him dead for kill the boy who killed Dirtsman. Because it was going on now, say, hey boy, may I tell you, say Dirtsman, them and Papasan want to turn De La Vega in a labor right community. So that's why them kill him.
No, that wasn't true. The man never business in politics.
So that was, and say I bring gun and all them thing then. So that was a smokes in mirror and them thing they for show off.
The man never business in politics. You can tell you that. And I tell you, say, it's the music and the promotion and the promoter. Are the same thing cause integrity for dead, you know.
So after them kill Dirtsman. Oh, because me Papasan say I see a man and I kill him, and them see a man. Even when I man when I also the man, him set up the man make them kill him.
Because them come right to the grill and call him out. Yeah, but remember, say, at the same, remember, say, the only difference is now, Bulby is not a shooter no more, Bulby is now they're done. Bulby now giving the orders. You understand? But Gravel still live at Della. Gravel still even know everything we are going. So
why? Because him come from them, did feel him did safe and him thing there. That's why him still stay there.
Huh? Yeah, because I think him born there, you know. I think Gravel born there, you know. Papasan and Dirt and him sister come from Thompson, but think Gravel born at Della. About Gravel. Gravel is in the 20s and him dead.
Same with fees him safe.
Yeah, well, him probably because him the Rasta too, you know. Him just probably never care either. because him say it loud and clear. Him now go do not show for the man and kill him brother.
So that a Jingles him Jingles him attack or him tell Bulb them.
Jingles did dead long time. Remember Jingles did dead long time.
No,
remember
Jingles
the tour was organized.
Jingles never dead yet them time.
When Gravel dead? Yeah, man, when Gravel dead, Jingles did it long time.
Man. When Gravel dead?
Gravel dead in the 2000, you know. Dirtsman dead 93.
Oh, man was okay.
Listen. Dirtsman dead 93. So them time the ball be a done now. Ball be at the top man.
Oh, when them kill Gravel.
Yeah. So if you send back a message, if a man sends for you to go work, and you send back a message like that, that means you're signing your own death warrant. You understand? So, I saw the thing about a long time promoter do them thing that a long time done on because as I tell you the same thing because nitty-gritty for dead.
Oh, it cost him for dead.
Because nitty-gritty used to be like a booking agent in New York then. And the artists then used to come up and perform.
And then he not pay them.
Right. He used to collect money from the promoter and pay them. And it related to some mashing up a rental and thing. And the one of the vehicle now and the money they belong to Junior Cat. And Super Cat got to him both it. And when they left out of the restaurant, now to get him back, him going on the door, slide back on the ticket and he going him and jam. They gun jam with him and behind the door. And so Cat realized and Cat kill him. Because that's why self-defense, that's why Cat get to him.
But him never the charge cheat and everything. The kind of New York you can have illegal gun and Cat never have no. Him never the charge cheat.
No, right. So that's why, because remember, it basically is a self-defense. I wasn't there, and I just tell you from I really want to call the person who did the name about me. But
did you just say him kill nitty-gritty and everything there? And tell us sometimes some things happen. As I look at you, sometimes things happen in a community and, you know, Josie Will let her jail America for long, you know. Yeah, murder will commit, you know. If you murder will not commit?
Yeah, with the police, them just happen to come in on the scene when Josie will have fired a shot in at the man, but the man they done did already. It's just years. It's just years after. You probably could ask someone in New York, somebody we know were fishing around, or they were on Dan one street, and they would tell them. It's just years after forensic and thing get kind of popular. The forensic evidence free Josie Will based on the fact that them say at the time of the shooting,
the man did already.
The man was dead already. So Josie Will get off right, you know.
Because him couldn't come to America for about 14 years, you know.
Yeah. He's a man who the youth where the dead is a man who was a pest, you know, because back in them time there, all of the Jamaican artists them used to gather up there and play dice for money. Big money. But so like the youth used to come and map out there and realize that the big star them did it. And then him go and go tell certain man and then they send someone go rob everybody. And after a while now somebody start to pick it up and I say, but every time this youth come here and leave, we get robbed after. So them just time pedal him and as him come the one day, them start to stab him up and thing and like every like when I catch, like in a community, you catch a goat thief, a predator last thing, and then call on the whole community and everybody come give a lick and a kick and throw a big stone. So that them did that to him and them call Josie and Josie ride up in bike and come and up off him 38 and fire 3 shots and here comes the police same time. And I said Josie will get one on charge of the murder, but technicality based on the forensics. get to a fight. But you know, say with gun charge, after a while, you them will free you back if a cocaine are the only pardon you not get pardon. For all this, America have you as a top witness. Understand? So, as a judge, you get a fight. Yeah, man, but the thing with Dirts, it was terrible, and as I say, Nicodemus finally that keeping us Caitlin and Jingles kick down Nicodemus casket because you know Nicodemus said actually coke out of fire and did homeless and done papa and them thing on the roadside and him catch up pneumonia and dead. And then they are saying they have HIV too, but you know, nobody, I never know, but
and that means it kill him. And that means it kill him.
Yeah, but the fact is that him contract pneumonia with it said that you know that had be the cause of death. And Jingles, as a man, I run scale and family in the sense is Nicodemus, they would have come through the sound system, them through half a tree scale. And then if him in himself, him just feel like him big and bad, or him just feel disappointed to Nicodemus could really go far and go mash up himself and you know. And he kick over the casket and Cat hear about it and Cat never like it, so.
So Cat never died at the funeral when Nicodemus was buried?
No, I don't think he died at the funeral.
But him love his badness bad, you know.
The man then I put it down, man.
Him love it bad,
man. The man then I put it down.
You know, so the man this where you tell him they me do the video, you know, and what him name? Yami Bowler, man, this Yami Bowler, wicked man, when him drunk.
Yeah, the night of it. But remember, them kind of dunce, you know, remember Leo.
That's true, man, that's true, them duds are real.
Leo. And if you could have, if you can't make that, you'd have a cassette ninja, man, they would have it. Remember, me did the other dance as a youth. And I was 16 or 17. And I tell them, used to up and down with Ian Sander, but I did the other dancing. And Black Around said, no, come from New York. And a DJ and song named Name Brand. And he must call out some name and he must say, when the man reached Junior Reid, at time, a couple of years before that Junior Reid did do One Blood and get big all over the road and be like stewed, and he must say, Junior Reid, my Name Brand. And Supercat come and grab the mic from Black Around and say, Black Around's bright and what other. Or if you call man big and have him own a studio and have number one song all over the world, Name Brand. And this Black Around said, this the artist them. But Supercat, I remember Black Around them live afar and them know what is Name Brand. Them Supercat, them just start Jamaica and then look a corner, them don't know nothing.
Hey, just well. Yeah, so I just hope you enjoy listening, you know, to this former military intelligence unit officer of the Jamaica Defence Force. And this man is a real patriot because he's telling you as it is. And you can see, yeah, we know that we know the smart, the Speedy Gonzales, they love to say things that people bias and people this and that. But you see, the truth is a stubborn thing. You understand? And that's how we work it, you know, we work with the truth. And people have integrity. Over here, we're not spinning anything. We're just telling the real mama papa truth. You understand? And the truth hurt only the guilty. And look here. You see, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we have a memory of an elephant. Yes. Because from where we are growing up, as we tell you already, there's a man named Tom Levine, why we join the police force. Because that man used to deliver justice. You understand? Just like, and you know, the people them came after him. When you talk original name brand police, you talk about Tom Levine. Yeah, Tom Levine, Adaman. You understand? As we say on them thing there. Yeah. Especially in this environment where you have Indicom right now. All Tom Levine, them, you know what? Them would ride them every day. But guess what? You understand? They would ride him every day and they would call for all him head and them thing that all him one involved in a somewhat fatal shooting. So many fatal shooting. But I pay criminal him not kill and them thing, they pay murderers, gunmen. You understand? You know, see, and because them man they love Jamaica. So all of them people I tell you, say, boy, murder, minimum, maximum. You can't put no price on people. You can't put them things upon people's life. A one life all we have. So we have to just defend it. You understand? As you hear the man say, yeah, nobody can tell Papasan nothing about Harry Bungles because him love him. I just saw it go. You have to show him the evidence and them thing to make him believe, say, boy, because the man them, I saw the man them wicked. The man them, alright, you say all which part them get house and them thing there. The man they never show say me I tell you though, I saw them do, and them label the family, say man them and labor right, and kill the man them brother. Kill them, kill Dirts man, and then kill Gravel. Yeah man, Jingles. So I hear them thing there, so we just hope you enjoy listening to Jamaica Young Police channel. And only thing we tell you over here, we just give the real mama papa truth. I just saw it go. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out.